Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for mainboard for LG 47LW5600-UA belonging to, it's upside down, sorry about that. This is Sam Kamik apparently, and this video is made for the benefit of Mr. Kamik, who should be able to see that the board is serviced and working fine. Right now our favorite MP3 junk player connected to HDMI 1 or 4, whatever that is, and taking power from the USB. And this is what you have at the front of the TV. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch that. Of course, we tested all 4 HDMI ports. After repair, I'm switching it to the next one and showing that the TV says that the new input was connected HDMI 2, and we connected that, and as you can see it is switching and working fine. Hope there's no need to do that on all 4. We did it, all 4 works, and that is all. Thank you very much, and best of luck with your repair.